Hey guys, so today we'll be talking about the topic calendar. So when it comes to calendar, it is kind of a highly rewarding topic when it comes to UPSC because if you know the concept really well, you can solve the questions from calendar. And UPSC is consistently asking 1, 2 or 3 questions from calendar each year. And if you know the concept, it is actually very easy to crack the questions on calendar. So now let us move on with the video. So firstly, let us look into some of the concepts about calendar. Okay, we'll just introduce the calendar, and you know that there are 12 months in our calendar, right? And in a non-leap year, in a normal year, there will be 365 days, and in a leap year, there will be 366 days. I'll be talking more about leap year later, and just now know that in a leap year there is 366 days because in a leap year the February will be having 29 days. In normal years, February is having only 28 days. So there will be 1 day extra and there will be 366 days in a leap year. And you know that there are 12 months, right? And in each month the number of days are different. When it comes to January, you have 31 days in January, and when it comes to February, you will be having 28 days if it's a non-leap year and 29 days if it's a leap year, right? So in this way, you know that different months are having different number of days. So I'm not going into the details of that because you know that. Okay, March will be having 31 days, April is having 30 days, May is having 31 days, June is having 30 days, July 31 days, August again 31 days, September 30 days, October 31, November 30 and December 31 days are there. Okay, and another thing that you need to know when it comes to calendar is that after 7 days, for example, if today is Sunday, then after 7 days the Sunday will get repeated, the day will be Sunday again, because in a week, you know that in a week there are 7 days. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, right? So for example, if 1 is Sunday, then if we add 7 to 1, you will get 8th. Then 8th of that month will also be Sunday. Then if you add 7 to 8 again, you will get 15. So 15th of that year, of that month will be Sunday again. Similarly, 22nd will be Sunday again. Then 29 will again be Sunday. So this also you need to understand. Now we will go into the details of leap year. So let us move on with the concept of leap year. So let us see more about leap year now. As I already mentioned, in a normal year there will be 365 days, and in a leap year there will be 366 days because February will be having 29 days, right? So in 365, you know that in a normal year there are 365 days, and you know that 1 week consists of 7 days. So if you divide 365 by 7, you will get 5 sevens are 35, then you will get 15 here, 2 sevens are 14, and you will get 1 as remainder. It means that in a normal year there are 52 weeks. Okay, you got quotient as 52. So it means that there are 52 weeks in a normal year, plus there will be 1 day extra, right? 52 weeks and 1 day will be there because you got 1 as reminder. Similarly, if you divide 366 by 7, you will get 5 sevens are 35, you will get 16 here, then 2 sevens are 14, you will get reminder 2. That means that in a leap year there are 52 weeks and there will be 2 day extra. Actually, this concept is very important in solving the questions related to calendar. You should know very well this concept. When it comes to leap year, there will be 52 weeks and 2 day extra, and when it comes to a normal year, there will be 52 weeks and 1 day extra. Okay. Now let us see how we can identify whether a given year is a leap year or not. So some students have a tendency that if you know that like 2000 is a leap year, it was a leap year, right? 2004 was a leap year, 2008 was a leap year, 2012 was a leap year, 2016 was a leap year, 2020 was a leap year, and the next leap year will be 2024. That is, next year will be a leap year. So in all these years, February was having 29 days. So there is a tendency among students that we'll just divide it by 4. If the year is divisible by 4, then they are going to say it is a leap year, right? Because 2000 is divisible by 4. Then next multiple of 4 is 2004. Then if you add 4 again, you will get 2008. So there is a tendency that students will say that, okay, if you divide by 4, it's going to be a leap year. If it is divisible by 4, it's going to be a leap year. But there is a difference in that. It's not always like that. So if you are given a year, so if I give you a year, for example, if I give you a year 1900, actually 1900 is divisible by 4. Okay, 1900 is divisible by 4, but it is not a leap year. Why? I'll tell you why. So if you are given a date, we'll take two examples. One is 1900, then second one is, let's say, 2012. So if you are given a year, first you need to check whether that year is having 2 zeros at the end. So here 1900 is having 2 zeros at the end, right? Then if it is like that, you need to check whether this is divisible by 400. 1900 is not divisible by 400, then it is not a leap year. Okay, so when it comes to 400, 800, 1200, 1600, then comes 2000, then comes 2400. All these numbers are divisible by 400. So these years will be a leap year. But when it comes to 1900, it is ending with 2 zeros, but it's not divisible by 400. So it's not a leap year. And when it comes to 2012, it is not having 2 zeros at the end. So if a given year is not having 2 zeros at the end, you just need to divide by 4, the normal case. Okay. If it is divisible by 4, then it is a leap year. Here 2012, we know that it is divisible by 4. Actually, you can use the divisibility rule of 4 here. I have already discussed about the divisibility rules of 4 in our lecture video on divisibility rules. So if you want to check whether a number is divisible by 4, you just need to take the last 2 digits. Here last 2 digit is 12. So just check whether 12 is divisible by 4. We know that 12 is divisible by 4. So 2012 is also divisible by 4, right? So this is a leap year. Okay. So if I give you a year 1600, we know that 1600 is having 2 zeros at the end. So what we need to check? We need to check whether this is divisible by 400. Yes, it is divisible by 400. So the 1600 is a leap year. So this is how you need to check whether a year is leap year or not. So I'll tell you why it is like that, because actually what is a year? A year is the time taken by the earth to complete one revolution. So in a year, in one normal year, there is 365 days, but actually earth takes 365.24 something days. Okay, it will take 365.24 days to complete one revolution. So actually, if you are that's why we are adjusting every 4 years. We are adjusting by adding 1 day extra. Okay, then that day will get compensated for, because this 0.24 get compensated for. But when it comes for 100 years, okay, when it comes to 100 years, because this is not 0.25, it is 0.24. So when it comes to 100 year, we need to do that adjustment again. That's why we are not taking like 2100, we are not taking as a leap year in order to do this adjustment. Okay, I'm just told you why we are doing like this. Okay, so when it comes to a leap year, when you are given a year, if it is ending with 2 zeros, you need to check whether it is divisible by 400. If it's not ending with 2 zeros, you need to check whether it is divisible by 4. Okay, so this is how you need to check a year is a leap year or not. This is very important. When you are given a question, you need to check whether that year is a leap year or not. This is very important. And in order to solve the problems on a calendar, I'll be teaching you 2 different ways. One is using the concepts, and second is a trick. So using that trick, actually you can find the solutions within like 10 or 15 seconds. But the problem is that in order to use the trick, you need to by heart some values. So if you are not good at by hearting, just study the conceptual method, so you can solve the questions using concept as well. Okay, so we'll move on. Now let us see one more concept, that is the maximum days in a month. So let us assume that first of a month is Sunday. Then I already told you, if you add 7 to 1, you will get 8. 8 will be a Sunday, 15 will be a Sunday, 22nd will be a Sunday, and 29th will be a Sunday. And when it comes to Monday, 2nd will be a Monday, 2nd will be a Monday, 9th will be Monday, 16th will be Monday, 23rd will be Monday, and 30 will be Monday. When it comes to Tuesday, 3rd will be a Tuesday, 10th will be a Tuesday, 17, 24 and 31 will be Tuesdays. When it comes to Wednesday, 4, 11, 18, 25 will be a Wednesday, and 32 won't come, right? Because the maximum number of days in a month is only 31, so 32 won't come. So this is how it goes. So if the month that you considered has 31 days, then Sunday will come 5 times, Monday will come 5 times, Tuesday will come 5 times, and all other days are coming only 4 times. And if the month that you considered is only having 30 days, then this 31 won't come. Then in that case, Sunday will be 5 times, Monday will come 5 times, but Tuesday and all other days will come only 4 times. And if you are considering a leap year, and if you are considering the February month of a leap year, it will be having 29 days, right? So if first of that February is Sunday, first is Sunday, then there won't be any 30. So there will be 5 Sundays, and all other days will come only 4 times. And if you are considering a non-leap year, a normal year, and if you are considering the month of February, there will be only 28 days. And if first of that month is Sunday, then what happens is that 29 won't be there. Then all the days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the days will come only 4 times. So this you need to remember, because some questions will come on from this kind of logic. Okay, and UPSC has asked questions using this logic, so you need to be aware about this concept as well. Okay, so now let us see, if you are given a date and if you are asked to find out what day it is from a reference date, then we'll see how we can do it. And I will explain this to you with the help of different examples. So let us take first example. If January 10, 2022 is a Sunday, then what is January 28, 2022? So in this type of question, what you need to do is that you need to find out the number of days between the 2 days. Here January 10, 2022 is the reference date, and it is given that it is a Sunday. We need to find out what is January 28, 2022, right? So we need to find out the number of days between January 28 and January 10. Since this is the same month January, what you need to do, just subtract 10 from 28. You will get 18. That means in between from 10 to 28 there are 18 days. And we know that there are 7 days in a week, and I have already told that after 7 days the same day will come. So what you need to do is you just need to divide 18 by 7. So you will get 2 7s are 14. You will get remainder 4. Okay, so you got remainder 4. So what you need to do, the reference date was Sunday, so you need to just add 4 to Sunday. Okay, so Sunday plus 4 means after Sunday the 4th day, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So January 28, 2022 will be a Thursday. So let us take our second example. So it is given that 2nd April 2022 is a Saturday. We need to find out 4th November 2022. That means it is a different month. The year is the same, but the question has asked to find out the day in a different month. So here what you need to first do is that you need to find out the months that we need to consider. So the given date is April. So April will come, then May, June, July, August, September, October and November is there, right? Because we need to find out 4th November. Now we need to find out April. We have to do the same thing. We need to find out the number of days in between 2nd April 2022 and 4th November 2022. So how many days in April will come? We are given 2nd of April. In April, there are total 30 days, right? And we are given 2nd already. So we need to subtract 2 from 30. So we will get 28 days are there in April. In between 2nd April and 4th November, there are 28 days in April. So in May, there are 31 days, right? In June, there are 30 days. In July, again, it is 31 days. August, it is again 31 days, right? In September, there is 30 days. October, that is 31 days. And November, we need to find 4th November. So there are 4 days. Okay, now what you need to do is you just need to add all these numbers, then you will get the number of days in between 2nd April and 4th November, right? So you will need to add 28 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 4. So you will get, if you add this, how much you will get? 9, 10, 11, 12, 16. Then how many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18 plus 3, 21. So you will get 216. Now what you need to do is you need to divide 216 by 7. So it is 3, 21, 6, then 0, 0. You will get remainder as 6. So our reference day was Saturday. So our answer will be Saturday plus 6. So Saturday, then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So the answer is Friday. So this is how you need to solve the question. Okay. Now let us take another example. If 10th November 2023 is Friday, then what is 10th March 2024? Here the years are different. Okay. Actually, we have to do the same thing here. We have to find out the number of days in between 10th November 2023 and 10th March 2024. So here we need to which all months will come? The month of November 2023 will come, December 2023 will come, January 2024 will come, February 2024 will come, and March 2024 will come. So we need to find out the number of days. So here when it comes to November, there are total 30 days in November. Here the reference date is 10th November. So in November, there will be 30 minus 10, there will be 20 days. In December, there will be 31 days. January again, there is 31 days. And now you need to be very careful because 2024 is a leap year, because 2024 is divisible by 4, right? Then it is a leap year. So February of that month 2024 will contain 29 days and it's not 28. So you need to be very careful here. That's why finding or that is why I told you that identifying whether a year is leap year or not is very important in solving the questions from calendar. Okay, so February is containing 29 days and March will be having 10 days, right? Because we need to find out 10th March 2024. So actually what we need to do now is we just need to add all these numbers and we need to divide by 7. We need to find out the remainder. But there is a better way to find out the answer. So if you are adding all the numbers, it might take time, right? 20 plus 31, it might take a little more time. So you can actually use remainder theorem here. For example, I have told this in the lecture of remainder theorem. That is, we need to find out 20 plus 31 plus 31 plus 29 plus 10. Then we need to find out if the sum is divided by 7, what is the remainder, right? So you can use remainder theorem here. You can separately find out the remainders of all these numbers, then you can add. So if you are not aware how the remainder theorem works, you can go and watch the lecture video on remainder theorem. Okay. So 20 divided by 7, you can the remainder is actually 6, but you can use the negative remainder concept. Again, if you are not aware about negative remainder concept, you can go and watch the video on remainder theorem. Okay. So here I am writing the negative remainder. So I am writing minus 1 because 20 is 1 less than 21. 21 is a multiple of 7. So 20 is 1 less than 21. So I can write minus 1. And 31 is 3 greater than 28. 28 is a multiple of 7. 31 is 3 greater than 28. So remainder is 3. Again here remainder is 3. Again here remainder is 1 because 29 is 1 greater than 28. And when it comes to 10, it is 3 greater than 7. So you need to write 3 here. So these are the reminders. We are finding out the reminders separately. Now you just need to add all these numbers. So 1 and 1, minus 1 and 1 will get cancelled. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. So you are getting remainder as 9. Okay. And 9 is a number which is greater than 7. So remainder will not come greater than 7, right? So just divide 9 by 7. You are getting remainder 2. So remainder is 2. Okay. So then you just need to add Friday plus 2. So Friday plus 2 is Saturday and Sunday. So the answer is Sunday. Okay. So now let us see a different example. So I have given you two examples here. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So let us solve this one first. Okay. So it is given if 10th November 2022 is Thursday, then what is 12th November 2023? So here the problem is that here it is the same. We need to find out the number of days between 10th November 2022 and 12th November 2023, right? But here there is a problem. It's not a problem, but the problem is that it's after 1 year, like, right? It is 10th November and this is 12th November 2023. So we need to find, if you are doing the way we have done the previous question, we need to write so many months. So it will take a lot of time. So if you are given a question like this, if it's coming after 1, 2, 3, 4 years, what you need to do is that we know that it is given that 10th November 2022 is Thursday. First, we need to find out what is 10th November 2023. Okay, and we know that in a normal year, there are 365 days. So 365 days means 52 weeks and 1 day extra. Right? So here what happens is that if 10th November 2022 is Thursday, if you are asked to find out what is 10th November 2023, if it's a normal year, you just need to add 1. That is Thursday. This will be Friday. Okay, because there is in a year. This is after 1 year, right? 10th November 2022. After 1 year, it will become 10th November 2023. So in 1 year, you have 52 exact weeks and 1 day extra. So just need to add 1. Okay. So this will be Friday. Now you need to find out what is 12th November 2023. So actually what you need to do, there is only 2 days in between 10th November and 12th November. So just add Friday plus 2. You will get Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So answer will be Sunday. So let us take the other example. It is similar. Here you are given 10th November 2023. 10th November 2023 is Friday. So first what you need to do, you need to find out what is 10th November 2024. So don't add plus 1 here. If you are adding plus 1, it is wrong here. Why? Because between 10th November 2023 and 10th November 2024, February 29 will come because 2024 is a leap year. Okay, 2024 is a leap year. So there is 1 day extra in February. We know that in a leap year, there will be 366 days and there will be 52 weeks and 2 days extra. So in this case, if there is February 29 in between the days that we have considered, you need to add plus 2. So the 10th November 2024 will be Friday plus 2. That is Sunday. What we need to find? We need to find 12th November. 2024, right? So there is 2 days in between 10th November and 12th November. So we just add plus 2 with Sunday. That is Monday, Tuesday. So answer is Tuesday. Okay. So let us now see 2 more examples for you to understand this concept easily. Okay. So if 10th March 2020, that is 10th March 2020 is Tuesday, we are asked to find what is 15th March 2021. So first we need to find what is 10th March. It's given 10th March 2020. Okay. We need to find what is 10th March 2021. Here, even though 2020 is a leap year, what we need to find is that whether February 29 comes in between these dates that we have considered. It is March. So it is March, right? So February 29 has already happened. So there is no February 29 in between these 2 days. So just add 1. If there is February 29 in between, you have to add 2. Here there is no February 29 in between, so just add 1. So Tuesday plus 1 is Wednesday. So 10th March 2021 will be Wednesday. We need to find what is March 15. So there is 5 days in between 10th and 15. So just add Wednesday plus 5. That is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday. So answer is Monday. Now let us take the another example, this example, okay. So it's given February 10, 2020 is Monday, okay. We need to first find what is February 10, 2021. Here 2020 is a leap year and February 29 comes in between these 2 days, right? February 29 is coming in between. So you need to add 2. So Monday plus 2 is Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So this will be Wednesday. Then we need to find what is March 10. So now we need to find out the days between February 10 and March 10. Okay. So in February, there will be, in 2021, there are 28 days in February. Minus, we have considered 10. So minus 10, there is 18 days. And March, we need to find out March 10. So March, there will be 10 days. So total 28 days are there. So 28 divided by 7, you will get remainder 0 because 28 is exactly divided by 7. So remainder is 0. So Wednesday plus 0, it will be Wednesday. So answer is Wednesday. So this is how you need to find out different questions. Okay. So now let us see a different kind of question. It is actually similar, but it's a different kind of question. So it is given January 1, 2022 is Monday. So you need to find out when will January 1 will come Monday again, in which year. Okay. So here what we need to do is that January 1, 2022, we know it's Monday. Then what is January 1, 2023? January 1, 2023 will be Monday plus 1 because February 29 is not coming in between January 1, 2022 and 23 because 22 and 23 are not leap years, right? So Monday plus 1 is Tuesday. Now, what is January 1, 2024? February 29 is not coming in between because 2023 is not a leap year. So again plus 1, it will come Wednesday. Now when it comes to January 1, 2025, there is February 29 in between because 2024 is a leap year. So you need to add 2. So Wednesday plus 2 is Thursday and Friday. Now when it comes to January 1, 2026, 2025 is not a leap year. So we need to add plus 1. Friday plus 1 is Saturday. Okay. So when it comes to January 1, 2027, what you need to do? You need to add 1 again because 2026 is not a leap year. So Saturday plus 1 is Sunday. And when it comes to January 1, 2028, in between January 1, 2027 and 28, there is no February 29 because 2027 is not a leap year. So you just need to add 1. So you will get Monday. So it is asked in which year January 1, 2020, January 1 will become a Monday. So answer is 2028. So this is how you need to crack these kind of questions. So I hope that you understand how you need to find out the day when different dates are given, when a reference date is given. Okay, now I will teach you a very simple trick. It's you need to actually by heart some values. Other than that using that trick, you can solve the questions in like 10 or 15 seconds. So let's move on to the trick. So let us move on with the trick. Here what you need to do is that you need to actually by heart some codes. So for every day of the week there is a code. Sunday is 0, Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, Thursday is 4, Friday is 5 and Saturday is 6. So this is actually easy to by heart because it's only 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Now each month has a code. January it's 0, February it's 3. So this you need to by heart. Okay. March is 3, April is 6, May is 1, June is 4, July is 6, August is 2, September is 5, October is 0, November is 3, and December is 5. So it comes like 033, 614, 625, 035. So you need to by heart this if you want to solve the questions using this trick. Okay. Now there is also code for year. Okay. If the year is between 1600 and 1699, the code is 6. If it's between 1700 and 1799, that is, if it's the 18th century, then the code is 4. If it's the 19th century, the code is 2. If it's 20th century, the code is 0. If it's 21st century, again 6 will come. So it will get repeated. That is 6420. Again it will come 6. Then if it's 2100 to 2199, it will come 4. So 6420, 6420, it will go like that. So you need to by heart these codes if you want to solve the questions using calendar trick. Okay. So now I'll give you different examples in order for you to understand how we can solve the questions using this trick. Okay. So let us take an example. So if you want to find what day was on 15th August 1947, that is the day that we got independence, we need to check what day it was. So here what you need to do is, first you need to write the two numbers or two digits that is in the last of the year. So this is 1947, last two digits is 47. So just write 47 first. Now divide 47 by 4. Okay, if you divide 47 by 4, 1 will come here. So 4, then 7, again 1, 4. So you will get quotient as 11 and remainder as 3. So you need to write the quotient. So you need to write the quotient here. What quotient you got? You got 11 as quotient. Just write 11 here. Now you need to write the date. Date is 15. Just write date here. Okay. Now the month is August. You need to write the code for the month. So what is the code for August? The code for August is 2. So you need to write 2. That's why I told you need to by heart the codes. Okay, for the code for August is 2. Now the year, you need to write the code for the year. And for 20th century, the code is 0. So 1947, the code is 0. Now we need to add all these things. 7 plus 1, 8, 13, 15. 1 will come, 5, 6, 7. So you got 75. Now what you need to do is just divide 75 by 7. So 1 7s are 7. Now you will get 5, then 0, 0. You got remainder as 5, right? Remainder is 5. Now you need to check what the code 5 stands for which day. Okay. So here code 5 stands for Friday, right? Code 5 is for Friday. So the answer is Friday. So 15th August 1947 will be a Friday. This is how you need to solve the questions using this trick. But the problem here is that you need to by heart the code. But if you by heart the code, you can easily find out any date. Okay, easily find out any date, the day on any date. Okay. Now there is a problem. There is a little difference if the year is a leap year. I'll tell you that here 1947 was not a leap year, then there was no issue. I will give you a different example which is a leap year. Okay. So now let us take an example which is a leap year. I am taking 3 dates. Let us say we need to find out February 29, 2020. So 2020 is a leap year, right? And we need to find out January 16, 2020. Again, it's the same year, it's a leap year. We need to find out March 10, 2020. So these 3 dates are leap years. So we have already learned how to do for the other years. So if the day given is after February 29, you need to use the same method what we have learned so far. Okay, you need to follow the same steps. So March 10, 2020 is actually a date which is after February 29, right? March is after February 29. So in this case, you need to follow the same method, same steps that we have learned. Okay, But for February 29 and January 2016, these dates are actually before February 29, right? Before or on February 29th. So if the date is less than or on February 29 or equal to February 29, then there is a small difference. So for these two dates, there will be a small difference. So I will tell you how to do this. So now let us find out what day was on January 16, 2020. So if it is a leap year, first you need to check whether the given date is before February 29 or equal to February 29. So here January 16 is given, which is actually before February 29. So there is a small difference. So here the initial steps are the same. What you need to do, you need to write these two numbers first, that is 20. Okay. Then you need to divide 20 by 4. Actually 20 is exactly divisible by 4, right? So 5 4s are 20. So quotient will be 5. You need to write 5 here. Okay. Now you need to write the date, that is 16. Now you need to find out the code for January. The code for January is 0. So you need to write 0. Okay. Now you need to find the code for 2020. So for 21st century, the code is 6. So you need to write 6. Now just add all this number, that is 5 plus 6, it's 11. 11 plus 6, it's 17. Now 1 will be here. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. You got 47. If you are dividing 47 by 7, you will get 6 7s are 42. You will get 5. Now there is a difference. Since this is a day which is before February 29 of a leap year, what you need to do is you need to subtract 1 from the remainder 5. Okay, so 5 minus 1 will be 4. Now we need to check which day comes for the code 4. So code 4 is Thursday. So answer is Thursday. So the only difference what we have done is that once you got the remainder, you need to subtract 1. If the day is before February 29 and it is a leap year, you need to subtract 1 after you got the remainder. So here it is coming Thursday. So this is how you need to solve the problem. Okay. So now I will give you an example and we will find out how we can do it using the trick, and also I will tell you how we can solve it using the concept. Okay. So first let us take that example. Let us find out what is January 30, 2099. Okay. So here let us use the trick first. We need to write the last two numbers, that is last two digits, that is 99. Now divide 99 by 4. We will get 2 4s are 8. Then you will get 19 here. Then 4 4s are 16. You will get remainder 3. So here quotient is 24. You need to write 24 here. Now the date is 30. Just write 30. Now what is the code for January? It is 0. So we need to write 0. Now what is the code for 2099? It is a year in 21st century. So the code is 6. Now add all these numbers. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 6, 19. Here 10, 12 and 15. So you got 159. So now you need to divide 159 by 7. 2 7s are 14. You will get 19. Then 2 7s are again 14. So the remainder you got is 5. So we need to find out what 5 stands for. So 5 stands for Friday. So the answer is actually Friday. Here one more thing you need to check whether this is a leap year. 2099 is not a leap year. So it's okay. If it's a leap year, you need to check whether that date is before February 29. If the date is before February 29 and if the year is a leap year, then you need to subtract 1 from the remainder, right? So you got Friday here. Now we will see how using logic and how using concept without by hearting all the codes, okay, how we can find this. Okay, so we need to find out what is January 30, 2099. So in order to find the answer using concept, you need to have a reference date. So we know that January 30, 2023, that is the day I am actually making this video. This is January 30, 2023. We know that today is Monday. So we will take this as a reference date. So usually when the question comes, Okay, in UPSC when the question comes, last year there was a question about June, we'll solve that question. Usually we can use the day that we are writing the exam as reference date. So that is the day that today, you can use today as the reference date. So today is January 30, 2023. I am using it as the reference date. So today is Monday. Okay, now what you need to do is that you need to find out the number of years between 2099 and 2023. Okay, so we need to subtract 2023 from 2099. You will get 676, right? So there is 76 years between 2023 and 2099. So let us suppose that all these years are a non-leap year. It's a normal year. We know that there will be leap years, so leave that now. Okay, let us assume that all these years are non-leap years, or all these years are normal years. So there will be 52 weeks in each of these years and 1 day extra. So since there is 76 years, there will be 76 day extra. Now we need to find out how many leap years are there between 2023 and 2099, because in all those leap years there will be a February 29 and there will be one more extra day. So we need to find out how many leap years are there. For that, you just need to count the leap years. Okay, we know that 2024 is a leap year, 28 is a leap year, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92 and 96. These all are leap years. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there is 19 leap years between 2023 and 2099, which means that in all those 19 years, there will be one more extra day. So just write 19 here. Okay, one more extra day is there. So total 6 plus 9, 15, 8 plus 1, 9. So there will be 95 day extra. So what you need to do is divide 95 by 7. 1 7s are 7. You will get 2, 25. 3 7s are 21. You will get 4. So 4 is the remainder. Now the reference day was Monday. So we need to add Monday plus 4. So Monday plus 4 is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So you got January 30, 2099 is Friday. Okay. So if today was actually January 30, 2023, we got as Monday. If today was January 1, and we know that January 1, 2023 is, for example, let's say Sunday or something like that, then from here you need to first find out what is January 30, 2023. Then using that as reference, you can find out what is January 30, 2099. So this way you need to find out the problem. I will show you this in the UPSC question. There is actually 2 UPSC questions came like this. So I will show you one of them here. Okay. So now let us solve different questions from UPSC. So this is a 2020-22 UPSC question. Which date of June 2099 among the following is Sunday? So here you can do it in two ways. Okay, so first let us use the trick to solve this question. So here we need to find out whether 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 is Sunday. So let us first take 4. Okay, so 4 June 2099. So we need to find out what is 4th June 2099. So first we need to take the last 2 digits of the year, that is 99. Now we need to divide 99 by 4. You will get 2 4s are 8. Then 19, 4 4s are 16. So quotient is 24. You need to write 24 here. Now the date is 4. So just write 4. Now we need to find out June. So the code for June we need to find out. So code for June is actually 4. So we need to write 4 here. Now what is the code for 2099? It's a 21st century. So code is 6. So just add all these things. 9 plus 4, 13, 17, 21, 27. Then 2, 11, 13, 137. So divide 137 by 7. Okay. So 1 7s are 7, 67, 9 7s are 63. You got 4. So the code 4 stands for Thursday. So 4th June 2099 is Thursday. So 5th June 2099 will be Friday. 6th June 2099 will be Saturday, and 7th June 2099 will be Sunday. So we need to find which of the date among the following is Sunday. So Sunday is 7. So this is how you need to solve this question using the trick. So now we need to find out how we can solve this using our concept. So here, just like what we have done before, what we need to do is we need to take a reference day first. Actually, this exam was conducted on 5th June 2022. Okay, and we knew that it was Sunday. So that's why I told you UPSC always gives a date which is actually in order for you to take a reference date. So 5th June was Sunday, and that's why UPSC asked the question from June 2099. Okay, so 5th June 2022 was Sunday. So let us find out what is 5th June 2099. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to find out the years first. That is 2099 minus 2022, you will get 77. So it's first write 77. Now we need to find out how many leap years are between 5th June 2022 and 5th June 2099. Okay, so 24 is a leap year, 28, 32, just like what we have did before. Okay, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96. These are the leap years. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 19 leap years are there between 2022 and 2019. So 19 more extra days will be there. So just add these two things. 7 plus 9, 16. So you will get 96. Just divide 96 by 7. You will get 1 7s are 7. Now 26. Now 3 7s are 21. You will get 5. Remainder is 5. So what you need to do is just our reference was Sunday. So Sunday plus 5. Sunday plus 5 is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we got that 5th June 2099 is Friday. So 6th June will be Saturday and 7th June is Sunday. So answer is D7. So in both of the ways you are getting Sunday. So trick is actually easier, but the problem is that if you are using the trick, you need to by heart some codes, right? For the year, for the day, for the months, you need to by heart some codes. But if you are using concept, you don't need to by heart anything, but it will take a little more time. Okay, so now let us move on to the next question. So this is a question from 2021. It's combined, actually it is coming from calendar as well as HCF and LCM topic. Okay, so the question is, Joseph visits the club every 5th day. Harsh visits on every 24th day, and Sumit visits on every 9th day. If all three of them met at the club on a Sunday, then which day will all three meet again? So here we need to find out the LCM of 5, 24 and 9. Okay, just find out the LCM of 5, 24 and 9. 5, so it will become 1, 24, 9. Now I am taking 3, 1, 8 and 3. Again I am taking 3, it will come 1, 8 and 1. I am taking 8, so 1, 1, 1. So here LCM is equal to 5 into 3 into 3 into 8. If you do this calculation, you will get 360. So LCM is 360. It means that after 360 days, they will meet again. So they all met on a Sunday, and after 360 days, they will meet again. It means that we need to divide 360 by 7. You will get 5 7s are 35. You are getting 10. 1 7 is 7. You will get 3 as reminder. That means the day will be Sunday plus 3. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So the answer is option B, Wednesday. So this is a question from UPSC 2021. Which day is 10th October 2027? Actually in 2021, this exam was conducted on 10th October itself actually, and 10th October 2021. So 10th October 2021 was Sunday. So that's why UPSC asked 10th October itself 2027, so that we can take reference day easily. So for the students who doesn't know the code or the trick, they can still using the concepts, they can solve this question. So we will do in both ways. So first let us use the normal conceptual method. So we know that 10th October 2021 is Sunday. We need to find what is 10th October 2027. Okay, so there are 6 years between them, right? 2027 minus 2021 is 6, and there is one leap year between them, which is 2024. So just add 1, so you will get total 7. So answer will be Sunday plus 7. So Sunday plus 7 is again, that is after 1 week, again Sunday will come. So option is, answer is actually Sunday. So see, even without using the trick in this question, you can solve actually very easily. Okay, now let us use the trick. So here last 2 digits is 27. You need to write 27. So 27 divided by 4, you will get quotient as 6, because 6 into 4 is 24. So quotient is 6. You just need to write 6. Now we need to find out October 10th. So we need to write 10 here. Now the code for October is actually 0. You need to write 0, and code for 2027, because it's a 21st century, the code is 6. So just add all these things. 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 6 19, 49. So 49 divided by 7, 7 into 7 is 49. You are getting remainder as 0. So 0 code stands for Sunday. So answer is Sunday. So in both ways you are getting Sunday. And in this question, since there is only a small number of days between 2021 and 2027, even by using the normal conceptual method, it was very easy. So you don't need to by heart all the codes. Actually, you can solve the questions using concept as well. Okay. So now let us take a different question. This is from UPSC 2020. If a particular year 12th January is a Sunday, so it's a year, we don't know whether that year is a leap year or not, then which of the following is correct? So here the dates are given as 15th July, 15th July. See, 15th July is a Sunday if the year is a leap year. 15th July is a Sunday if the year is not a leap year. 12th July is a Sunday if the year is a leap year. 12th July is not a Sunday if it's a leap year. So the year can be a leap year, it can be a non-leap year. So just take a date. Let us find out what is 12th July if the year is a non-leap year. Okay, so given is 12th January. So we need to find out what is 12th July. So here we need to do January, how many days will be there? 31, and given it's 12. So 31 minus 12. So 19 days there will be 19 days in January, in between 12th January and 12th July. So in February, we are considering a non-leap year. So 28 days will be there. Okay. Then in March, there will be 31 days. Then April, there will be 30 days. May, there will be 31 days. June, there will be 30 days. And July, we need to find out 12th July. There will be 12 days. So now we need to add all this thing and divide by 7. We need to find what is the remainder. So we can use remainder theorem here. So when 19 is divided by 7, you will get remainder 5, or negative remainder you can take it as minus 2, because 19 is 2 less than 21. 21 is a multiple of 7. So 2 less than 21. So you can take negative remainder as minus 2. Okay. If you don't know the concept of negative remainder, or if you have forgotten the concept of negative remainder and remainder theorem, you can watch the video on remainder theorem in order to understand the concept. Okay. So when 28 is divided by 7, remainder is 0. And 31 is divided by 7, remainder is 3. And 30 is divided by 7, remainder is 2. And 31 is divided by 7, remainder is 3. And 30 is divided by 7, remainder is 2. And 12 is divided by 7, remainder is 5, or you can take it as minus 2, negative remainder, because 12 is 2 less than 14. Okay. So just add these things. So this 2 and this 2 we can cancel. Minus 2 and 2 we can cancel. Here again 2 and minus 2 we can cancel. So 3 plus 3 plus 0, you will get 6. So we have our reference day was Sunday. So Sunday plus 6 will be Saturday, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So we got that. We got 12th July. 12th July, if it's a non-leap year, it's a Saturday. Then 12th July, if it's a leap year, will be one more day will be there in February, right? So one extra will come. It will be Sunday. And 15th July, non-leap year will be, it will be 3 days from this, right? So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And 15th July, leap year will be one more day, that is Tuesday plus 1 will be Wednesday. Okay, so we got 12th July non-leap year is Saturday, 12th July leap year is Sunday, 15th July non-leap year is Tuesday, and 15th July leap year is Wednesday. So our answer is C. 12th July is a Sunday if the year is a leap year. Okay. So guys, thank you so much. If you liked the video, please do subscribe, share and support. And you can also join my Telegram channel for daily questions and updates. I'll be posting the link for that channel in the description box. So thank you guys. I'll come with a new video soon. Okay.